Welcome to Green and Woke on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed this segment. The link to the entire podcast can be found in the description box. I just love cranberries, so let's talk about some of the benefits of cranberries. In the food world, bitter is better. The more bitter, sour, tart a food is, the more citric acid, which is vitamin C, it contains. Cranberries are very tart and therefore are loaded with vitamin C. They have antioxidants that can help remove free radicals in the body that cause cancer and premature aging. Cranberries help fight kidney, bladder, and urinary tract infections. They also help boost the immune system. Cranberries are native to North America, Canada, New England, and the North Atlantic states of New York and New Jersey. They grow in swamps and bogs. Because they are hollow on the inside, to harvest cranberries, farmers flood the bogs, causing the ripe cranberries to float on top of the water. Then they just gather together, and cranberries are an ancient food in America. So there were likely cranberries at the first Thanksgiving. Now, very important, when buying cranberries or cranberry products, make sure you're getting real cranberries. Many brands of cranberry juice, for instance, contain added sugar, including GMO high fructose corn syrup. Avoid buying beverages that state cranberry drink or cranberry juice cocktail. Anything with those labels are likely to contain sugar or GMOs. The label must state 100% cranberry juice. If it's too tart for you, just dilute it with water. And also, avoid canned cranberry sauce. What we are making is cranberry relish with real fruit. Cranberry sauce usually contains things like GMO cornstarch to give it a uniform, thick consistency.